Hello, DDG1003, week 10 announcement. Hard to believe we have a little bit over a month left in course. We've officially entered into the world of InDesign. So we've navigated a bit through Adobe Photoshop, we've navigated a little bit through Adobe Illustrator, so we went from raster-based world in Photoshop to vector-based world in Illustrator, and now we're in what I would call a container program, a program that is excellent for compiling elements from Photoshop, elements from InDesign, and creating a multi-page or surface level solution in Adobe InDesign. So I like to call it the old container program. Great job so far, everyone. You guys are really keeping up with the bookwork. Good job with the voice threads. We're going to take a break from those, give you a chance to catch up on any book projects you may not be up to date with, any of the quizzes you may have not been able to get done quite yet, and continue our focus on Adobe InDesign. So let's go into the old coursework folder. I hope you enjoyed my Motivational Monday post. If you saw that, interesting photo team taking fine art imagery and making commercial art out of it. Interesting compositions. So let's go into the week 9 and 10 folder. So you guys should be working on chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 in your InDesign book, which you can go ahead and continue through week 10. Remember, the submission links are in the week 9 folder. So we'll go into week 10 and see what our little out-of-book project is once you get done those first 4 chapters in InDesign. We're going to do a magazine layout. You can really pick a topic of your choice based on graphic design or any of the artist focus that we've done in the past. You can use the same images and content and create a page layout. I would highly recommend Googling or doing a search for or taking a look at magazines you might have, looking for strong layout compositions and then mimicking those layout compositions with your content. You don't have to write your own content. You can take the content provided in the course or from an internet article you found. I'm more or less looking for spread layout concepts and how well you do with scale and proportion of typography and color change and any image wraps you may include in your design. So here's your project for you. Go ahead and read through all the requirements. I provided a bunch of examples for you, and there's a couple of videos. There's some highlighted analysis here, so there's plenty to go by for you to lay out your magazine spread, and also a quiz for the first 4 chapters in your InDesign book. So weeks 9 and 10 are all about those first 4 chapters in your InDesign book. Great job so far. Keep up the good work. I hope you've enjoyed the course so far. I hope that you've watched these video announcements. I hope they have helped you through the process. And I hope that the video threads have given you some personal connectivity to the other classmates in the course. Next semester I'll be doing 1020, which is the next step up from this course in an online format just like this one. Each of you have done very good in this format, so I hope you will choose to continue on in the 1020 format with me, so I can see you grow as artists and designers and continue to explore our programs. Okay, have a great week 10.